Hi, so today I want to share with you guys my first experience with animation. If you guys don't know, in my country, if the parents want their child to finish their meal, they majority of time have to force feed them while make them watching colorful pixel commercial on the TV. To me, it is not very interesting and it's very hard to swallow with all of those distractions. So my grandmother came up with an idea. She's previously working in the Soviet Russia and she had a big collection of VSH video home system. It is big black stack of cassette like this. It contained a lot of entertainment program and one of them is the animation called Nu Pogodi. Nu Pogodi is the Russian animation. Translate in English is Well Just You Wait. The story is surrounding by the big black wolf chasing after the main character. The protagonist is the hare. It spread out a lot of long episode in Russian and I don't know the language from then till now. Although it's following a very generic plot point like Roadrunner or Tom and Jerry, which I watched later in the state of my life, but it's left a very big impression in me because the animation is well produced, the character is colorful, and the animation, especially the animation, is very smooth. And if you guys watch my previous episode, that I am very fond of bringing my imagination into this world through drawing. And here I create a fan art of them with a big black wolf and the hare, the protagonist. Yeah, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have a experience with your first animation, comment down below and share it. So that is for today. Hope you have a productive day and Nu Pogodi.